Sanibonani Mzansi, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uthando nesithembu likhulile laze lafika la likhona. Le video le angivamile ukwenza ama-video kodwa ngithi ngiyenze ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi hayi impe engibhekene nayo inkulu. Kodwa ngesikhathi siqala uthando nesithembu sishonga ukuthi konke kuzoba kuhle noma kuzoba kubi. Sathi naku thina sizoninikeza isithembu bese niya decide nina ukuthi niyasifuna isithembu noma nisifuna. But into eyenza ngenze le video ukukhuluma ngoMakhumalo. I have never said uMakhumalo lento enishoyo ngaye. Ngithena mina lento ayiphumele ekhaya imhlulela ukuthi ayenzela kaMseleko. Ungeseka lokho. Because nginomuzo omkhulu. Ikona kuphela engikhuluma ngakho. Manje nina senifaka okunye okuningi. Yazi mina noMakhumalo we are right kakhulu and angikwazi ukufaka abanye abantu mangikhuluma ngaye because labo bantu kuyoba sengathi bakhulu kunoMakhumalo. So that will be unfortunate. But I'm simply saying uMakhumalo lento ayiganile emenza boMrs Mseleko number 3. Meaning kusho ukuthi lento ayiganile fanele ayeseke iyona kuphela engikhuluma ngayo. Angikhulumi ngokunye lokhu nina enikhuluma ngakho and kuyangitshela mina ukuthi anikho esithembweni because kube benisisithembweni benizo understand ukuthi uMseleko ukukhuluma ngesithembu. But ngiyabonga kakhulu konke lokho enikushoyo kuyasilekelela ekutheni sikwazi ukuya phambili and engathi ningaqhubeka njalo nime nje nina besilo nime nina beqhawe nisilekelela ukuthi sikwazi njalo ukuya phambili. Ngaphandle kwenu asiyilutho. Siyabonga kakhulu. Angazi ke noma abantu basasifuna isithembu ngoba kungenza ukuthi sebe decide ukuthi ay isithembu ngisasifuna, isithembu ngiyasifuna. Ayibambane khona.
Msamsaleko thought posting a picture of Makhumalo this morning, it will do justice for him. Unfortunately, it ended in tears for him, guys. He had to do a video. I thought he's gonna apologize, but it seems like he doesn't care, guys. The people are saying, oh, so when Msamsaleko, you are so ungrateful and selfish. The things that you were saying, go Makhumalo. Now here on this video, he's saying, oh, Tiana, he did not say those stuff. Guys, if you go again and watch those episodes of Uthando Nesithembu season 8, Msamsaleko did call Makhumalo a failure. Now he's changing his mind because he can see what the people are dragging him. So guys, this morning he posted this beautiful picture. As you can see, it is him and Makhumalo has a third wife as a damage control the situation here yesterday with the caption, I love you so much Mlilikazi, as long as we stand together. The comment section, guys, the people are telling Msamsaleko would say Makhumalo deserve a better man unlike him. So guys, Msamsaleko was replying to the comment section and he saw that the people are not playing, are coming for him. So he decided to post the live video, guys. So people are saying, Makhumalo, you need to walk away, you deserve better. I don't know whether Makhumalo should walk away, but they are still together. No Msamsaleko, even in real time, Makhumalo, she's been posting these other few weeks. She did post umyeni wami, calling Msamsaleko her husband. So they are much still together, living their best life. Although it is alleged Makhumalo has to move in Mzumbe, just move outside Mzumbe. People are saying what she's still in Mzumbe, guys. Even Mangwabe, guys, the one that she's been saying, uyahamba. People are saying, Mangwabe, she's still in Mzumbe, kanye no samke, guys. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment,